Okay, Toyota Harrier XU80 2023 version. Okay, change aftermarket Android player, 10.1 inch with Canbus socket, plug and play. It's a plug and play connection. Okay, let me show you for the function. Okay, for reverse, okay, reverse, connect original reverse camera view. The iPAS system still can work, connect by Canbus. Okay, back to normal. Okay, reverse again. Reverse line is original, but the function cannot switch different angle, just a fixed one angle. Okay, so back to normal. Okay, steering control working. Okay, mood function. Okay.
Phone, Bluetooth. Okay.
Bluetooth key. Okay, and show you for the aircon control after Canbus setting. Okay, can control by original, can display on Android player. So this is connect by Canbus. Okay, show you for the Canbus setting. Have to set for the Toyota Lexus EX300. This car model for Harrier XU80 2023. Okay, thank you.